Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Living Soul Feet Ankita. Today we will talk about where to visit when you are in Jaipur. So our first place is Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is located at Badi Chowpar, Jaipur. Its timing is 9 am to 4:30 pm every day. When we talk about entry fee, it's rupees 50 for Indians and rupees 200 for foreigners. It's very easy. You can take battery rickshaw or any local transport to reach Hawa Mahal. Hawa Mahal is famous because of its amazing and unique architecture. 953 windows or jharokas are beautifully incorporated in the honeycomb design of this palace. In addition to providing a window to the outside world for the royal women, these windows helped in keeping the palace airy and cool. Second place is Birla Temple, originally known as Lakshmi Narayan Temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and Goddess Lakshmi. There is no entry fee over here. Third is Nahargarh Fort, that stands on the edge of the Aravalli Hills, overlooking the city of Jaipur in the Indian state of Rajasthan, along with Amer Fort and Jaigarh Fort. Entry fee is rupees 50 for Indians, 25 for students and rupees 200 for foreigners. Timings are 10 am to 5:30 pm every day. Winters are the best season to visit Jaipur, as in summer it's too hot to enjoy the view and get the whole of the Jaipur. Inside Nahargarh Fort, you can visit Wax Museum and Sheesh Mahal. Entry fees is rupees 500 for Indians and rupees 700 for foreigners. Also, photography is not allowed in Wax Museum and Sheesh Mahal. You can enjoy other activities like pottery making, magic show, and puppet show, etc.
नाम नहीं लिखा है?
Our next stop is City Palace. Make sure you have 2 to 3 hours with you to explore the palace beautifully. Timings are 9:30 am to 5 pm and entry fee rupees 100 for Indians and rupees 400 for foreigners. Amer Fort. A visit to the Pink City is not complete unless one explores the marvel that is Amer Fort. Timings are from 8 am to 7 pm and entry fees is rupees 50 for Indians and rupees 10 for Indian students and rupees 100 for foreign students and rupees 550 for foreigners. You can visit Nahargarh Fort, Jaigarh Fort and Amer Fort at the same time as they are nearby. Last but not the least, Jal Mahal. Visitors are not allowed to enter the palace, but you can enjoy the view from the roadside. Also, there are many local vendors from where you can buy Jaipuriya Jyotis, dupattas, etc. And also, you can enjoy food stalls over there. It is good if you visit in the evening. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please share, like and subscribe. Thank you.